In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the HOZY game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and after you are taken into the store page, go ahead and click on the search box. Now just type in HOZY to begin your search, and once you find the game, you can click on it. This will then take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You can then click on View My Card in order to continue towards your payment. Now you can use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods that you can see within the drop-down menu. Fill up your credentials followed by your billing information, and you can save it for future use as well. Once you complete your transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then choose your install location and complete the installation in just a few clicks. You may start playing the HOZY game on your PC right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the HOZY PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.